Ho ho!
No!
Oh, and guys, don't forget to like, hype, and subscribe, because it really helps the channel to grow. Merry Christmas, everyone. We all know that Christmas is the happiest time of the year, so Crayola, to bring things down a little bit, have released a new calendar for this year, and it is a festive crafting advent calendar. Something that I've noticed straight away, right? When you get an advent calendar for Christmas, tends to tell you what's in it, right? You know, for every day, and maybe there's like a secret surprise at the end. Well, what we've got in here is some crayons. It's like a little Santa Christmas ornament. Pretty cool. But it doesn't tell you what it is. That's 2 days. Now, Christmas calendars tend to go up to at least Christmas Eve. And if they're only showing me 2 things, I'm not feeling very confident. I mean, okay, we can colour in some bubbles. 3 at the most. So what the heck is in this?
Yeah,
apart from disappointment?
I bet they're keeping it all as like a surprise, or that is literally everything that you get.
Do you know who we're dealing with? Like, check out the playlist, guys, if you haven't. Now, I'm not gonna be mean to it for the sake of it, right? If it's good, I'll tell you that it's good. Like, it's just that Crayola give me so many reasons not to like what they do. But they do some good stuff occasionally. Maybe this will be a Christmas miracle. Colour and specification may vary. So basically, all of this could be a lie.
Or a fun way of looking at that is it could be a surprise.
Alright, so this is looking a bit more familiar. We've got all of our doors here. It looks like we've got 1, 2, 24. Let's open up the whole thing.
In order.
Oh,
In order.
Door numero uno. On the first day of Christmas, Crayola gave to me a strip of paper.
How much garland making paper do we get?
Let's see.
Like if it's...
If they give us a ton, then
yeah,
that's awesome.
if it's like 2 meters or something, then...
Yeah. You got some to colour in. You got some, like, blank ones. That's not too bad. That's not too bad.
Wait a minute, this says that it's mess-free, but how...
I've just made a big mess.
Are you meant to supply your own glue?
I think this might be one of those double-sided strips.
Ah,
Because it looks like it's pre-folded as well. Mess-free my right foot.
your ripe foot.
Right foot.
Oh, okay. It's like...
My ripe gout-filled foot from eating too much Christmas cheese. Number 2's over here, look. Ooh. We got some crayons, Christmas balls. It says, make a tree out of pom-poms and a craft stick. Use your crayons to colour the white triangle a tree colour. I kind of like it so far.
Yeah,
it gives you something to do, like, I'll show you real quick what it wants you to do, but I think it's cute that it gives you something different to do, like, every single day.
Yeah,
I'm
that
quite
is
impressed.
actually nice that it's managed to do that.
Yeah, so it wants you to make, like, a little tree. My balls are, like, flopping around. Hold on. I think that's quite cute. So far, that's all right. You like a bit of garland, a bit of a tree, some balls. Very festive.
Adam loves Christmas.
I thought you was going to say Adam loves balls. Some balls.
And the crayons haven't melted into a homunculus.
Homunculus. Oh, it's a Crayola favourite. The pipe cleaner. Hang your finished decoration or stick and put it on a Christmas card. This one says.
It reminds me of one of those, you know those kids' crafting kits that come with like lollipop sticks and like pipe cleaners.
Like
and
you
stuff.
do in like grade school / like primary school.
Yeah,
and
but
stuff.
I never knew what to make with those kits when I got them. I just used to look at it like cluelessly, whereas it's nice that this actually comes with like what you're meant to do.
Create a snowflake ornament.
Are you going to make every single craft in this calendar, or just ones that you feel excited by? Or...
I am just going to do whatever inspires me the most. Because it's Christmas, and you should do things that make you happy. And doing this whole calendar wouldn't make me very happy. It's all coming together. As far as I know, Crayola does make, like, glue sticks and stuff. Just give me a glue stick.
I think it's because they're going for the mess-free.
Since when is glue stick messy? Crayola, stop gatekeeping.
You've never seen like a 3-year-old with a glue stick.
I was a 3-year-old with a glue stick once, and you know what? I didn't make a mess, because I was a good boy.
Well, not all children are. Some of them...
I shouldn't say that at Christmas. Oh my God.
Some of them are getting cold this year. I don't know how to break it to you.
Good.
This is going to be the most Christmas decorations that we have up this year.
Yeah, that's probably true.
This is already going better than our Christmas gonks that we made last year from Crayola. Because they didn't include any of the little glue strip tapes, and we couldn't glue any of our stuff down properly.
It's like, that was how Together We're Hopes and Dreams. That was really rough, yeah. So, like I say, so far this isn't too bad at all. I'm having a good time, and I hope you guys are too. It looks a bit like a Christmas crucifix. Right there. It's authentic too. It looks like a 3-year-old man.
It does.
Oh, it's got balls. Some balls. It says, make a snowman from pom-poms and felt. We suggest making him a hat and scarf or mittens from the felt pieces. They say we suggest. Crayola, you've cut them out for me. It says, you will make a snowman and you will give him a festive hat. Notice that they said it was mess-free and not stress-free.
I do find those little tips like
That's
difficult
what
to
it is.
peel.
Just give me some glue. Put it on day 11 for all I care. Look, I'll make all the other crafts afterwards. Just give me some glue.
Oh, this is the one that was sticking out before.
Oh, it's dense. Oh, I'd make another garland, a paper garland this time. It says, add your personal festive touch and use your crayons to colour in the white snowflakes. Oh, Crayola, this is basic. Come on. You just gotta pop them out and thread the string through.
But you can colour it in.
That's true. Mess-free? My foot's getting ripe again. There's a peg!
Oh, there's a googly eye in
Googly
it.
eyes in it! Look at him!
Oh, he's gonna make this one, I can already tell.
I have the technology. I can build him. Oh, God.
Oh yeah, that looks just like Rudolph.
Let's give him like a festive fro.
Whoa! Isn't that meant to be for the Christmas tree?
No, well, I'm crafting, okay? I think that's quite festive. He looks like, what's his name from the Muppets? Beaker?
He does.
He's like, okay, that's the best thing yet. You can go over there with the crayon. It's another Christmas ornament. This is meant to be a craft calendar, not a festive ornament calendar.
Oh, but making Christmas ornaments is part of, like, the Christmas crafting spirit.
It's the same thing as the calendar. It's like, here's your felt tree, here's your decoration.
Oh, those, like, sticky felt pieces.
Yeah, these ones are sticky, so it's not
Oh,
so
that's
bad.
interesting. I've never seen anything quite like this.
Freaking Christmas.
Oh no, he's sad.
That's what this kit's making me feel. It was starting off good, but it's just repeating everything. Next.
You are too impatient.
Hi art friends, welcome to the Floor of Reflection. Did you guys know that our channel is funded through Patreon, and that's the reason why we're able to still make videos to this very day. So if you want to see more videos, subscribe for one, duh. And also consider supporting us on Patreon so we can bring you even more snazzy videos.
Number 8. Someone's cut up a straw. They want me to make a bloody garland again!
Oh, we got beads.
Create a garland from beads and tubes. Festive will. Fading. Come on. Don't be a garland or something to put on a tree.
What else do you expect or want from Christmas at this point?
Joy, peace on earth.
There you go. A pack of pom-poms.
A new rule. If it's either a garland or an ornament, it's automatic pass. Create or decorate a pom-pom photo frame. Hang your finished ornament on the Christmas tree.
Ooh, he's been a right Sasquatch.
Make a candy cane by threading beads onto a stick. Hang your finished decoration on the Christmas tree. Number 11. Make a frame out of craft sticks and put your favourite drawing or photo inside. Stick your design on a gift card and send it to someone dear. That's interesting. It hasn't gave me those strips of
The sticky paper.
sticky paper. I think they've gave us like little circles this time. I have to admit, while I do feel like it's pretty repetitive, it must be nice for the young'uns to have something to like do every day in the run up to Christmas, you know. I have to admit as well, little like lollipop things, that's very nostalgic for like school and stuff. So you make like a little frame. That's kind of cute. Is it an ornament? Colour and decorate the elf. Hang it on your Christmas tree. I'm gonna need like a bloody 20-foot tree. All these ornaments.
20-foot tree.
I can see string.
Oh! When I think Christmas, I can't get enough of bloody string and tubes. Make a mini wreath out of tubes and pom-poms. Hang the finished decoration on your Christmas tree. There's so many tubes! I could tunnel to Australia with the amount of tubes they give me in this. Decorate your elf. Choose your face and then hang it on your Christmas tree.
He's not even opening that one.
Day 50. I can see decorate an ornament.
It looks like a cute ornament though. I like yellow. Can you make that one for me?
Oh, don't!
With Christmas true love.
Oh. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's cute.
Maybe that's the secret. I've just got to say that each one is, it would make me really
Don't take
happy.
advantage of it. Christmas. Come on.
It's getting creative with this one.
It's good. You know, it's like because it's for you, I suddenly care.
I think you enjoyed the little stick-on diamantes.
Honey, don't out me for liking my diamantes.
You did in that Crayola shoe one. You had so much fun with that.
Exposed. I like bling.
No, I like those.
It'll look like a little Mario star. You're making me go against all of my morals here. I said if this was another ornament, I wouldn't do them anymore.
Yeah, but then it also had blingy bits.
I do like bling.
Exactly.
If it's tacky and shiny, I'm there.
When you put effort into it, it comes out nice.
I want you to just try.
Come on, blingies.
Hang on your Christmas tree. It's a bloody gingerbread man. I can do without. I'd rather eat a gingerbread.
Let's have a look at it.
Oh,
Yeah, I'd rather eat a gingerbread.
yeah, wouldn't you rather eat a gingerbread man at Christmas?
I reckon if you were like 2.5 years old, you'd have a great time with that.
No, I genuinely do, yeah. Like, it's totally aimed at kids and stuff. It's very repetitive, though, and kids are the harshest critics. I can just imagine little Timmy being like,
Another ornament Christmas is ruined.
Ideas in the comments for things that aren't ornaments that you could put in the Christmas advent
here's a
calendar.
novel idea, chocolate.
It's a crafting calendar.
I'll craft with it. Decorate a wintry pair of hanging mittens. You will need the help of an adult to cut the felt. Oh wow, so even these guys are giving up towards the end.
Wow.
They're not even cutting out the felt anymore.
It blends into your jumper. It's literally like the same colour.
I've got Santa's blood on my hand because he sent me this calendar for Christmas.
It's here.
We've done about 15 ornaments.
This one's going to be a good one because it's got Santa's face on it.
Please, please. It's got string.
It might be gift tags. Yes, it says like 2.
Decorate these gift tags
Gift tags!
to use on
Yes.
gifts. So it's not okay. That's what. Hey, I'm fine abiding by
You're
my
allowed
own rules.
Yes, you have to make it.
look at the glee.
You have to make it.
There are some with designs on the in colour in, which is actually quite cute.
Well, let's have a look at the designs there.
There you go, sweetheart. You got a present, a snowman, and like a Crayola like wiggly rainbow. But I think it'd be a good excuse to use the crayons to actually have a doodle on one of the blank ones.
I wonder what you will draw that is festive with your 4 colours.
Maybe I will draw a festive ornament, because we have not seen any of those yet, have we?
You could draw the little reindeer guy that you made out of the peg.
I like that he doesn't have a mouth, like he wants to scream the joy of Christmas, but he can't. Oh, it is nostalgic using crayons, though. Like the smell and the texture of them and stuff.
And how they resist against the cardboard.
Look at hey, I'm trying to be positive here. Oh, look at you.
Don't forget the string.
He doesn't have string.
He needs string.
Why does God give me his hardest challenges?
Well, yeah, you've got this. Channel the joy.
The joy. Done.
Wow, with string and everything. It's a peg! You love pegs.
Nearly there. Make Santa from this peg. You will need scissors. No. They started off all right, okay? They got the thing. They had things that they can cut stuff. They're capable of cutting stuff out. So why would they make it for one, but not make it for the other one? And it says it's mess free. It's not. Why would they do it? They could. You make a lot of money making terrible Hallmark movies. I know you can do this.
People that don't know, Crayola's now owned by Hallmark. Oh, I can see string.
Oh, I couldn't. It gave me hope. Decorate this felt stocking. Can you guess what they want you to do after? Hang your finished stocking on your Christmas tree. See, and it's cut out. So why can't you cut that? I am not gonna let this go. If you can cut that out on one day, but you can't on the... It was the guy that cut stuff out off. Why? Day 21. Decorate the pom-pom to make a snowman ornament. When it is done, can you guess where to hang it on your Christmas tree?
Oh, dang, I was still trying to guess.
Day 22.
Oh no, I see string.
Really? I didn't see any. It's a shape like a bauble. Where else does anyone put baubles anywhere ever? Decorate the card ornament with tissue paper.
Oh, with tissue paper, that's new.
Yeah. It doesn't even tell you to hang it on a Christmas tree on
See?
this one because they know.
That means you've got to make it.
No.
It's not technically an ornament.
Baubles are the ornament.
No, this one's just a bauble with string.
No, it's not. No. Day 23. Be brave. Oh, look.
String.
More string.
And more crayons.
My favorite. Yay! I love ornaments.
There's probably some kid with a special interest in handmade ornaments.
It's not me! Use your crayons to decorate these baubles. Hang your finished decoration on your Christmas tree.
That said a gift tag, I saw it.
The first suggestion is a decoration.
Oh yeah, he was right.
It's been a festive four-letter word, and now we've got day 24.
Oh, this is going to be the big one. I think that's going to be the Santa, because that's the only one like on the box that we haven't seen.
Way to ruin Christmas Eve! Oh my god! Gee, I wonder what's in this one.
Surely this one's got to be sort of like the big MVP decoration.
Make Santa from felt and get Christmas ready.
Hang your finished Santa on your stocking. Look at all this mess-free fun I'm having. This piece of felt, this white piece, had sticky on it so I could make the hat.
Yeah, I just watch you do that.
This has none. This has none.
It's strange how like half the pieces do something and then like that feature's missing. I kind of get it when it's two separate craft kit things, but when it's within the same bag, it's more confusing.
Oh god, it looks like a bit of dead skin. Let's cover that up, Santa.
Oh,
Very
and the
cryptic.
pom-pom, I think
Goes
that
on
goes
there.
there,
Yeah, that's right. Santa, your dandruff's very sticky.
Oh, that doesn't look so good from the back. But things never do.
Who does harm? There he is in all of his glory. He kind of looks like him after he's been to everyone's house. He's like,
His head's falling off.
My head is falling off.
no, the glue is. Hey, look at that. The glue, it's holding up. I can't be cross at that. It's been made and it works and it hasn't fell apart. So, what did you think? Do you think that this was worth £20 for Christmas? Do you feel like you got your money's worth? Do you feel like it was mess-free?
I feel like I enjoyed watching it more than Adam had fun making it.
If you want to see more Crayola stuff, do check out that playlist, guys, because there's a ton of it. And I promise there's some good Crayola stuff in there. Have a Merry Christmas.
Or if you're feeling in a festive mood, we have got a Christmas playlist.
Ooh.
And it's got more advent calendars that we have like unboxed on the channel.
Better stuff than this. So don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see you next time for another Doodle Date.